See, the antibody testing is like normal how like pregnancy test we have. With a drop of blood, we do the test and we get immediately the result. Antibody testing kits will be also in similar in this way only. A small drop of blood. The results also will be known immediately. The titer, there is something called as a titer. There is a level of, like in how many days, this much will be the level of the antibody in your body. So we will come to know what is the level of antibody. It's called in titer, means that much level of antibody is there in your body. And this is the level which is going to, like, we can safely say this much in that particular area. Suppose Mangur, we have tested around randomly a population, we test their antibodies. Once we come to know the level of their antibodies, at least we can tell, yes, that this part we have almost achieved a good level of immunity. So the chance of again a epicenter or a chance of again rise of infection will not be possible or contained. It will be, we can say infection will be contained. So this is the actual the reason of doing antibody titer test, so that at least we can have an idea that yes, there will not be another explosion of cases, there will not be another big epicenter from Mangur. So that is why we will do randomly population. We will check the antibody titer of the population in general in Mangur. So
requested and persuaded our councillors, our panches, including the sarpanch, our Zilla Parishad member, that when they go out to people, they should stress on discipline first as far as SMS is concerned. By SMS, you only follow social distancing. Compulsorily, you have to wear the mask and you have to sanitize yourself. Whenever you are washing your hands with soap, it has to be minimum about 20 seconds. When you sanitize yourself with the sanitizer itself and you just rub your hands, it has to be a minimum 10 seconds. If these simple things are followed, we will not, with the coronavirus, will cease to spread in the manner it is spreading. In fact, it is also the observation of the people who were gathered in the hall that many people just disregard this directive from the government. They think it is fun to defy. There is no social distancing. They are merrily having some parties, all the youth gather. Like there was a case in Bogmalo, from all over Vasco and rest of the places, they go there, they have fun and they are mixing so much, hugging each other as if there is no problem in the world. Even with deaths now happening in Goa, there seems to be no fear. If this sort of attitude is there, then which government or what SOP can help prevent the spread of coronavirus? This is also has to be realized by the people at large. In spite of so much of difficulty, this is not something where you can judge whether good has been done or bad has been done, because previously there was so and so COVID virus which was there, and therefore government has not acted prudently, and therefore it has increased. It is not the case. There was no such COVID situation or similar situation at any point of time for decades. So it is totally a new situation, a warlike situation, an enemy coming from nowhere and sort of poisoning the people or infecting the people in a manner that they can die. So we have to follow this SMS.
झाले 3 दिवसाले सीएम अप्रोच केले रिगार्डिंग मंगूर सम पॉइंट वी पुट आमकित केलेले मांगरान त्रास जाता लोकांक रिगार्डिंग द क्लोजर लोकांक भायर वचपा जायना, लोकांक प्रोविजन मेडिसीन मेळना. मागीर काल मिटींग जाली आनी आनीक पॉयंट मारलो सीएमा कडेन तरी प्लीज अपॉयंट फ्रॉम मिनिस्टर टू हेल्प अस इन वास्को. सो सीएमान मागीर मोवीन कोत्तलो अपॉयंट केलो टू हेल्प अस इन वास्को. आयज मिटींग गेली for review yesterday's meeting.
Sir, any important things were discussed or taken up today? Any specific message?
See, important things now we have got link. I am also part of the government, but the chief minister has put a minister in charge to take up issues with the administration. Now, the administration is doing one thing, and we are doing something else. So I feel that we are in the step now to go ahead. Zone as per the MHA guidelines, after the last case, it's 28 days. After the last case, it's 28 days we have to wait. So let's hope that when the mass testing is done, we get less cases. First for mass testing, then the chief minister said antibody will test first, and that is much better. It's only with the prick of the finger. So I think in the next 2 days we'll start in Mangalore.